More banker bashing here in the UK, with the opposition Labour Party leading a debate in Parliament this afternoon, making the case that excessive bonuses are damaging the British economy. Bloomberg's Rob Hutton joins us now from Westminster. Rob, what is Labour proposing?
Well, it's not so much clear what Labour is proposing as what it opposes. The 250-word motion ranges over a whole wide vista of subjects. But basically, the key point is that the Labour Party says there is this culture of bonuses where people get automatic bonuses, whether they've done merely an OK job or a good job, and not just if they've done an exceptional job. And it feels that it is arguing that this has a damage across the whole economy. So what it wants the government to do somehow is cut banker bonus pay. And the interesting thing is this is not just at the banks that the government has a stake in, like RBS and Lloyds, where the government has some authority to do this. The Labour argument is that other banks like Barclays and HSBC enjoy effectively a taxpayer guarantee. And so these banks should also be showing restraint in their pay.
Rob, the bonus debate becoming more and more of a political issue, isn't it? It's also provoked public outrage. We keep on talking about that. We already had RBS CEO Stephen Hester waiving his bonus. Could we expect more bank chiefs to potentially follow suit?
Well, it's an interesting tactic that Ed Miliband is using here. But this vote is not binding on government anyway, and it's certainly, as I say, the government, even if it were binding on the government has no power over Barclays. But Ed Miliband has had some success doing this. Last year, he called a vote which persuaded News Corp to drop its bid for B-Sky B. The Labour Party argues that it was Ed Miliband's decision to call a vote on Stephen Hester's pay that persuaded him to waive his bonus. So the Labour Party argument is that a big vote here in Parliament might embarrass Barclays and embarrass other banks such as HSBC. The thing is that this motion is so wide and calls on the government to do other things that I suspect Conservative and Liberal Democrat MPs, who are not massively sympathetic to other people getting paid huge amounts of money, that Conservative and Liberal Democrat MPs nevertheless may feel comfortable voting against it. So it may be that this motion is defeated.
Thanks very much indeed. Reporting from Westminster, Bloomberg News, Rob Hutton.